In this video, we will be addressing the inheritance pattern known as codominance. In codominance, two alleles for a gene affect the phenotype in separate, distinguishable ways. An example of codominance is human blood type. There are four human blood types using the ABO system. Those types are type A, B, AB, and O. Genetically, blood types are represented by three different alleles. We will be using the same symbolism that was used with incomplete dominance, using a capital letter with an exponent letter to identify the allele. So capital IA is type A blood, capital IB is the type B allele, and little I is the O allele. What is different here from other inheritance patterns is that both the IA and the IB alleles are dominant. Okay? Both of these alleles are dominant. Now, how that expresses in the phenotype is different than what we've seen before. If an individual is type A blood, their genotype can be big IA, or big IA, little I. That is because the little I is recessive. If they are type B, it's very similar, except that they will be either big IB, or big IB, little I. In order to be type O, the individual is little I. The biggest difference lies in the AB phenotype. If they are type AB, their genotype is this: big IA, big IB, with both the A allele and the B allele being expressed. This is what we would refer to as a codominant phenotype. Now let's do an example cross here. Let's say we have a type A individual and a type B individual, both of whom are heterozygous. So we have the type A individual who is type big IA, little I, cross them with an individual that is big IB, little I. Using a Punnett square, just like we've done before, we can construct this cross. We put our type A individual's alleles on top, type B individual's alleles on the left, and we fill in the Punnett. There are a couple of things to notice here. First of all four phenotypes are represented. The last thing to notice is that there is not any sort of 3-to-1 or 1-to-2-to-1 ratio that we saw in a normal Mendelian trait. Codominance is therefore considered a non-Mendelian trait.